little rhino spiders come to life and attack us. Panther! Get out of here and come back with bug spray. Thoughts?
Miss Marvel, slingshot!
Not good, not good. My first secret mission and I totally lost Black Panther.
Never lost, only misplaced.
Great, let's go! I'm glad I'm your partner on this mission and not a sidekick, because I have a real problem with the concept of sidekicks. I mean, don't tell Cap this, but Bucky was basically his underpaid intern.
Miss Marvel, please, focus!
Focused! I promise I'm focused. I'm focused because I'm sure you have a plan to get us out of this. You're the Black Panther, and the Black Panther always has a plan. Plans are totally your thing. So, what's the plan?
I am working on a course of action.
No plan then. Okay, now I'm worried.